I think the reason that we decide to take a class is because we want to know where to start and want a clear path to walk on. This Writing from Personal Experience program is based on using what shows up. I do not have any preconceived notions about what you should do, could, or need to write about. I will not tell you what to do. Instead, I will give you tools to keep you moving, thinking, and engaged. It is a program that asks you to make time for yourself. It is for those who want to start writing, people who have enjoyed writing and want to get back to it, and those who have 50 journals and are unsure how to take it further. My job is to use my education, years of teaching, and thinking about creativity to improve your writing and teach you how to delve into the issues, thoughts, and memories you have circling in your mind. We can find endless inspiration in each other's lives. By telling our stories, we realize that we are not so alone, but share a spirit of triumph through art.